Welcome everyone, this is Apple Tech Pro. Today I'm going to be doing an iPhone 7 repair. This is a black iPhone 7, and then it just has a small little crack, hairline crack at the bottom that goes up here. So he's basically just fixing the screen so he can turn it in and do an upgrade. We get a lot of those, so let me go ahead and start the timer as I always do, speed up the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And we are done. So 13 minutes and 37 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 7 screen. All the screens come with just a little plastic piece so it doesn't scratch. And looks great. So I don't recommend to do these repairs yourself. Again, these videos are not to show you how to repair them. It's just to show you that we know how to repair them and do them correctly. Again, I don't recommend that you do them yourself, just because it can damage the phone, it can fry the motherboard, so on and so forth, so that even if you do take it to a professional, that it might not work if that has occurred. A lot of the YouTube videos that show you how to do things but they don't tell you what not to do, and that's very important. These are very expensive devices, and I would just go to someone that has been doing it, is licensed, etc. We also offer Mac tutorials, Final Cut Pro tutorials, Photoshop, iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, check out our website, and we'd be glad to help you with anything you have questions with. Thanks again for watching.